Hello everyone. Welcome to the demo of the Unihub. So let's begin with the authentication flow. New users can register using their email and a secure password. So for example, here I'm using my personal email here, and I need to enter my password twice, and then I can sign up. So after that, I can now log in with my stored email and password. Once the password is correct, a 6-digit one-time password is sent to the email for verification. And this OTP is for single use, valid for 5 minutes. And now, as you can see, I can see the code here, which is sent in my email. Okay, so when the OTP is verified successfully, any pending user account becomes active, and the user is then securely logged in. So also, this session supports session auto logout after 30 minutes of inactivity, and every request is protected by CSRF tokens and DRF throttling for enhanced security. So when finished, user can log out at any time. Okay, so this is the login process. And now when I'm not logged in as a visitor, I can see all the upcoming events and also the featured clubs. Also, the search function is active as well, so that I can search for a certain club here. Okay, so here I'm going to show the functionality for a normal user. After logging in, the users can gain additional capabilities. They can join clubs they are interested in. For example, here I can join in the Engineering Society Club, for example, and then it will send a request to the officer who can later approve my request. And also I can leave my club, and th this this will be automatically approved. Also, I can see the club details here. For example, I can see all the events and the description, and later we will add in related photos as well. For the event section here, I can see all the related events for all the clubs. Also, we got a filter here, so to filter out the event for a certain club. And under my subscriptions, I can edit my profile. So I can enter my full name, degree, graduation year, and also I can change my privacy level and notification channel as well. And this is pretty much like a user dashboard here. I can see all my clubs that I attend and all these events that are going on. Let's say for this event, I can RSVP to attend, which is pretty much like a check-in. So here it shows that the event has already ended because this time is already passed. And also for a valid event, I can also cancel my RSVP as well. Yep. And that's all for normal user for the Unihub. Next, let's take a look at the management capabilities for officers and staff. The officers are pretty much like the leader of a certain club, and each club has one officer. And the platform staff is pretty much like an admin. So here, the officers and platform staff can create events that are automatically approved. For example, here, let's go to this club, and by clicking this new event button, I can create a new event. So here is our external API, which is the weather, which will show the weather of this venue, which is pretty much like the location I entered for the event. So let's say and set the capacity to 2, and the venue is And after entering the time, start time and end time, and after entering the description, I can create this event. And now it's left as a draft, and now it will show the event published successfully.
For the officer of a certain club, he can export attendance CSV for a certain event of the club. For example, this is the event we just created, the engineering meeting, and then we can export attendance CSV to see how many people have attended this event. Now we can see that there is one attendance here.
And also, I can review pending events as well. So when I go to the main dashboard, um, I can see all the users, clubs, and events. So I can also like manage the user roles. For instance, I can change this student into a staff, and now it has all the functionality as an admin. And also, I can suspend this user, which will like softly deleted this user, and this user's account will be suspended. And I can also like later activate it. And this is the club management platform. I can create a club by entering all the club name, category, and primary officers. And here I need to choose a primary officer for this club. Yep, and a new club is created.
For the admin, he can also edit the content of a club, for example. And I can edit. I can change the football name, for example. And I can also change the category, the contact, and the description as well. So then I can save the changes. And also I can deactivate this club. And this is more like a way of self-deleting. Or I can just directly delete this club. So this club won't be available to the other users.
And here I can see all the pending membership requests. I can approve the request. And here's the event management board. I can see all the events with their times. And this is the last section is the log. This is only for the admin to see what are being audited. For club communication, officers and the staff can create, update the announcements directly from the club page. So here, um, I can create a new announcement. Let's say we have a weekly meetup, and I can publish this announcement. So together, these features ensure a clear, secure, and flexible workflow for all levels of users on Unihub, from regular students to club officers and platform staff. So in summary, the Unihub provides a role-based, secure environment that simplifies how university clubs operate. So the public visitors can explore clubs freely, students can join and participate in events, and officers can manage content efficiently, and staff can oversee everything with strong administrative control. And this makes Unihub a complete and scalable platform for managing students, clubs, and events. And that's all. Thank you.